Hi, my name is Karen Calderon. I am from Bogota, Colombia, but I am living in Mocoa. I am a housewife and I'm 27 years old. And my hobbies are reading books, writing histories, and learning new digital skills. My email address are calderon2394 at gmail.com. My favorite food is pasta, any type of pasta, but I like salad and Mexican food too. Now, my strengths are one, I can carry on a simple conversation in English. Two, I am good at learn new vocabulary. And three, I can read books, are reading in English level A1 or A2. My weaknesses are one, it's sometimes hard to me understand series or movies in English if it doesn't have subtitles. Two, I sometimes don't find words to express all that I want to say in a conversation. And three, a perfect pronunciation in English is a challenge for me. Now, about the extra activities. First is that I usually sing English songs to learn new vocabulary. Second, every day I watch videos on TikTok about the words that native speakers use in casual conversations. And third, I write all new words that listening in movies, series, songs, and look for it means.